Real estate agents, today I want to show you why you're not generating any leads from your current website. What's up guys, my name is Jason Wardrop, and in this video I'm going to break down how to start generating your first 2 to 5 leads per day for your real estate business. Now if you're a real estate agent, real estate investor, or even a loan originator, mortgage broker in that space, I'm going to break down exactly how to make the switch to start generating leads. Now over the past 3 years I've been able to work with over 5,100 real estate professionals, and what happens is when new agents come to me is typically they say, hey man, I'm not generating any leads from my website, like absolutely zero, none, and I'm getting people to that website, but why am I not generating any leads from my website? So I walk them through this exact process I'm going to take you through today. I'm going to show you the exact Facebook ad templates, the landing page templates, how to actually go through and generate leads in this video. So in this video I'm going to break down how to start generating your first 2 to 5 leads per day, even if you are a complete newbie and have no existing online presence. Okay, because obviously at the end of the day, what every business owner wants, especially in the real estate space, is we want consistency. Right? And that's the thing that most of us lack. And so in order to get consistency, we need to be able to generate leads every single day, not like one a week or one a month or zero from your current website that you're probably already experiencing. So just kind of break this down. This is Jamie right here, and he went through and implemented the exact strategies that I'll be showing you today. And in his first like 12 to 24 hours, you can see right here, he was able to generate 12 leads at $1.02 per lead, which, just so you know, I consider a lead someone's name, their phone number, and email address. Okay, not just some like or comment on a Facebook post, but you can see right here you're just getting post engagements, so likes and comments, for just 1 penny per like. Okay, which obviously is not what we're going for, but $1.02 per actual lead. And we've got dozens of other testimonials of people going through and implementing this same exact strategy. Like I mentioned, I've now worked with over 5,000 real estate professionals going through and implementing this exact process to boost their lead generation and get consistency back into their business. Now the great thing is this works for all real estate professionals. Okay, it doesn't matter if you're a buyer's agent, seller's agent, if you have listings, if you don't have listings, if you're a real estate investor, or even if you're a mortgage broker or a loan originator. This is still going to work for you. So if we take a look at this, most every real estate professional that comes to me, I'd say about 98% of them already have a website. Okay, a website, something like this, where you can go through, you can check out the blog, the contact information, maybe you search some homes and all that stuff. And typically what agents tell me is they say, well, Jason, I'm not generating any leads from my website. Like I go through and I run some ads maybe or whatever it is, and they're not seeing any leads. And if they are, it's maybe 1 a week or 2 a week or 2 a month or something like that. It's something so sporadic that they can't get any consistency in their business, and it's definitely not a mechanism that they can actually rely on for their business. And so what they do is they go through and they grab a Facebook page and they're like, well, I'm gonna go through, get a Facebook page, it's 100% free, and then I've got that little boost post button. I'm gonna click that boost post button, put some money behind it, and then all of a sudden I'll miraculously generate all of these leads. Right? Well, if you've already been through this whole process, you know that that is completely wrong. What you typically end up seeing is some likes and comments and maybe a share if you're lucky on that post, but you don't ever see any leads. And so you're like, oh, well, you know what? Facebook doesn't work. I'm done with it, and I'm just gonna go back to my usual strategies that I know work, like door knocking, cold calling, all this stuff that is very time intensive, and you can't really leverage your time through technology like I'll show you guys today. So if you've been using your Facebook page and boosting posts and you've been using a website, you know now that that just doesn't work, right? It's kind of like putting a square block into a round hole. You just, no matter how much you try, you just can't get it to work. Okay, and I've already experienced that in my business. I have seen thousands of other real estate professionals experience it in their business as well. So in order to make your Facebook page work, or any other social media profile out there, so Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, whatever it is, you have to use something called a landing page or a lead capture page, which those are synonymous terms. And so landing page, lead capture page is basically the same thing, but a landing page is a simple site just like this one right here that has no other distractions on the page. So if you compare it back to this website right here, you see you've got like all the links at the top, you've got the call to actions, links out to the profiles, you've got all these different properties. And so when somebody comes to your website, there's a lot to get distracted by. And as of late, humans' attention span is less than a goldfish, which a goldfish I think is something like 6 or 7 seconds. Okay, so if you don't capture their attention quickly, then you're pretty much dead in the water. You don't even have a chance to generate a lead. Whereas if you use a landing page, there's one simple, clear focus. There's no other links to click on. There's no other actions to take. It's either you're gonna opt in and give that person your contact information, or you're not. So if we take a look at a landing page or a lead capture page, basically the same thing, right? Versus a website, a landing page typically converts about 10 to 25% of people visiting your site into actual leads, as opposed to your main website that typically converts less than 1% of visiting that site into leads. Which, guys, if you're like wondering like, well man, like this is terrible in the real estate space, I should get out of the space and I should go be a chiropractor or be something else. No, that is 100% accurate no matter what industry you're in. It's just the nature of a website and how it works. And because there's so many distractions and so many other things on that page, people don't convert into a lead. So to kind of put this in perspective, if you were to send 100 people to your website, the website that you have right now, you might be lucky to get just one lead. Okay, which most of you have probably already experienced that, because your website maybe converts 1% of people visiting that site into actual leads. Whereas if you took those same 100 people and you sent them to your landing page as opposed to your main website, you're gonna see about 10 to 25 leads with the same amount of people visiting that site. So now instead of sending people to your website to hopefully get a lead from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever it is, you now want to send people to your landing page to be able to go and generate real qualified leads. So someone's name, their phone number, and email address. And that's what Chad right here found out. He had been doing Facebook ads probably like you have been doing for a while. He said, been doing Facebook ads for a couple of months now. I've had great engagement, but no leads. So we jumped in, we tried this out, and we got almost immediate 10 leads and crazy engagement by simply using the Facebook ad to a landing page as opposed to your Facebook ad to a main website. Now if you're thinking, well Jason, like what types of landing pages do we go through and set up, and how do we go through and create the Facebook ads? Well, let's take a look at them here. So this is, let's say you have a listing that you want to go through and market. This is the exact listing leads campaign that works amazingly well. Like consistently we generate leads for less than $3 per lead with this campaign. So if you look here on the left hand side of your screen, that's what the Facebook post or Facebook ad looks like. So when someone's scrolling through their news feed on their phone or on their computer or whatever it is, they see this post from your Facebook page, they read through it and they're like, oh man, I want to check out this home and see what it's all about. So they click on that link that you can see right there in the Facebook post. They go to this landing page, they opt in, give you their name, phone, and email. And like I said, guys, typically we're getting leads for less than $3 per lead by simply using this campaign. Right now, maybe you're like, well, Jason, I don't have any listings and no other agent in my office has listings I can go through and use. So what other campaigns are there? Well, here's a look at my sell to leads campaign. So same type of thing. You've got the Facebook post, Facebook ad. That's what people are going to be seeing on Facebook. They'll read through it and be like, oh, that piques my interest. So they'll click on it, go out to the landing page, opt in to become a lead. Now let's say you still want to work with buyers, but you don't have any listings to go through and market. Here is a look at our buyer leads campaign that's been extremely successful, going through and breaking down, hey, do you know anyone looking to buy a home in this area? And so they click on that post, that link, they go to the landing page, and once again they opt in and become a lead. Okay, and here's an open house leads campaign. Or let's say you're in the mortgage space and you're a loan officer or something like that, and you're like, hey, I still need to generate leads. Well, here's a look at just one of our mini campaigns that we've got with the Facebook ad, the landing page, all this stuff you can go through and leverage for your business. And all those investors out there where we haven't forgot about you, here's what a Facebook post, Facebook ad looks like. They go through, read it, they see it in their newsfeed, click on it, go to the landing page, and once again they opt in to become a lead. So anyway guys, if you want to go through and learn more about the whole lead generation process and the Facebook ads, the landing pages, and even the follow-up, the email text marketing follow-up, or even Facebook Messenger follow-up, I've got a 100% free training on how to go through and generate leads. It dives a little bit deeper into this whole concept. And so I'll have a link for you right below this video in the top comment as well as the description, where you can go through, register for that training, jump in, check it out. They'll be able to help you out with your business and generate a consistent flow of leads for your business, and stop relying on your website. Okay, we've already talked about that, but that is why you're not seeing any leads coming into your business from social media or from the online portals and all that stuff, is because you have to use a landing page, because it's simple, it's clear, it's concise, and it just converts a whole lot better than your main website. And then after you go through and generate the lead, after they hit the landing page and you've got their contact information, from there you can easily send them to your website to go through and explore different homes or check other things out. Okay, it doesn't mean you can't use your website, and even if you don't have a website, you can still use a landing page. You don't 100% need a website, and I break that down all in this free leads training that I'll have the link right below this video. So whether you have a website or you don't have a website, this will still work for you. And even if you don't have a big following on Facebook or Instagram or any of these other platforms, I'll show you how to get started with absolutely zero experience, zero tech skills, and how you can be off on your way generating a consistent flow of leads for your real estate business. So anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. If you're brand new here, my name is Jason Wardrop, and I launch new videos every single week helping you generate more leads, make more money, and grow your business. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you found this video helpful, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. And with that said guys, I hope to see you on that training.